Hello students, this is our second video and number theory. We are going to discuss about some theorem on GCD and LCM. The first theorem is, if A is equal to BQ plus R, then GCD of AB is same as GCD of BR. Okay, so let's see proof. That D1 is equal to A comma B and D2 is equal to B comma R. Now we have to prove this D1 is equal to D2. So these two numbers D1 is equal to D2, if we can prove D1 divides D2 or D2 divides D1, so implies first and second you can say D1 is equal to D2. so देखिए D1 is equal to A comma B. This implies therefore D1 divides A and D1 divides B. D1 divides A and D1 divides B. If D1 divides A and D1 divides B, so D1 also divides the multiple of B. So you can say D1 divides A and D1 divides BQ, where Q is some integer. Okay, as you know, if a number divides A and a number is also divides BQ, then this number, this is D1, also divides their sum and subtraction. Okay, so D1 also divides A minus BQ. So from this you can write, and also D1 divides B. So you can say D1 divides R and D1 divides B. By definition of GCD, if D1 is a common divisor of R and B, then in that case D2 is GCD of B and R, then D1 also divides D2. By definition of GCD, D1 divides D2. Similarly we can prove D2 divides D1. So देखिए, D2 is equal to B and R. Therefore D2 divides B and D2 divides R. Okay, so now we have to prove that D2 divides B and D2 divides A. In that case D1 also divides, so D2 divides, in that case D2 divides D1. So we can say if D1 divides D2 and D2 divides D1, that must be equal to D1 equal to D2. Okay, so लिखिए D2 also can divide BQ by some multiples where Q belongs to Z, and D2 divides R. So D2 can divide their addition and subtraction, so BQ plus R. Okay, and D2 divides B. So D2 can divides BQ plus R, so we are using this A is equal to BQ plus R. So D2 divides A and D2 divides B. Now D2 is a common divisor of A and B, and D1 is a GCD of A and B. This implies by definition of GCD, D2 divides D1. This is second. From first and second we can say D1 is equal to D2। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखिए